So previously we had a discussion about important function in file operations. So with the help of that file function, how we are going to do the operation in file. Okay. So here we have a very important title, that is working with files using IO stream. I told you there are three categories which are going to be used for file operation. One is IO, another one is a row level, then console. But in which, as per our syllabus, we have a IO stream. So IO stream, okay, how it is going to work? You know very well what do you mean by stream. Stream is nothing, sequence of characters flows from source to destination or source to sink. So for example, if you are going to have a input function where through the device we are going to be get the data, and if you are going to write the data on the console through the device, we are going to be write over there. So both we need a function like scanf and the printf. Here what happened, we are going to use the file function where source is the file, destination is also file, not from the device. So what happened, like what we had a character array where the data is going to be accessed by the pointers up to the end of data or end of character. You know very well, in character string we have null character. So null character is going to be specify the end of the character. But what happened in the file, we have a stream pointers, that is the beginning. That is the beginning of your file, from which the sequence of data we are going to be accessed or read or write, and that data can be finished or ended through the end of stream. For example, if it is file means end of file, UF. So these two things are happen if you are going to create a file. Once you create a file or open a file, then we will do all the functionality. Okay, so in this aspect we have to learn how we are going to open a file. So open a file. These are all the steps we must be doing while opening a file. See, first we must create, the first step, we must create a file. We should use file as a data structure or data type, like an integer or character what we had earlier, Likewise here is a derived data type that we should create or we should use file for creating a file. Then with the help of the pointer variable, we should create a file. The variable is a PTR, pointer variable of file, not pointer variable of integer or character like that. Here I have used file, that time this pointer variable is nothing but file pointer variable. So that file pointer variable can use to create a file open function with the help of that. So that means PTR is equal to file open is a function where we have two parameters as the arguments. One is a name of the file with the double quotes. We have to assign what you created already. If the file we are going to use as a mode of read, by the time that file must be already created. If we are going to write mode, that time what you mentioned here, that name is going to be used by the operating system, which will help you to make a file, make a new file for writing. But reading means you must have a file already. That is the things we must have it as a two parameter or two arguments we are using in a file open function. So first argument is nothing but name of the file, and the second one is the mode of the file. What mode you are going to be access, either read mode, write mode, or read and write mode, or append mode. There are many modes are there. So we have to use that mode. Now with this example I have used the read mode. Okay, that is why I have used R. Write mode means I must use here the double quotes W. That is for the write mode. And the read and write mode means I can write within the double quotes R plus. And again I may be used W plus. Or append mode I can use A. Likewise, there are many modes are there. That mode which will help you to access the file. And I may do it whatever. Once you created a file or open a file, with help of that file, this is the input. The student has a file which we are going to use as the input, which having the data. That data may be used for doing any operation. After that, I must close the file with the help of the file close function, where the variable pointer variable, the file must be used as the arguments. PTR. That's all.